Okay, I wanted to try and see if I can better explain how we can use the idea of completing the square and also using quadratic formula to get a solution for our graphs. Here I've grabbed just a question from the textbook and identify the y-intercept straight away because that's one of the three things we need. It's the easiest one to get. As you can see, the y-intercept is -1. By completing the square, we'll be able to find the vertex really quickly and easily. That's the whole point of completing the square. If it didn't give us a benefit, we wouldn't do it anyway. So if we're going to complete the square, we need to halve b, which is 2, and then square it. So we're going to end up with adding 1, and we have to take it away, otherwise we're changing the equation. Now you can see I've completed the square. The leftover -2, once we subtract 1 again. To find the vertex, the x value is going to be what the x should be in the brackets. So it's going to be -1 in order to get 0, and -2, which is left over once we have 0. So that's the second thing we need. We needed the y-intercept and the vertex. To find the roots, I thought a quick and easy way to find the roots would be to use the discriminant, which we were learning about today. If we have b squared minus 4ac, we can find the discriminant and see how far away the roots are from the axis of symmetry. When we find the discriminant, we'll find that we get 2 squared minus 4ac will equal 8. So now we have the discriminant, we can actually square root it and divide it by 2. It would be 2a, in this case our a is 1, so we're just going to divide by 2 and see what the difference of the roots are from our vertex. The first root is -1 because that's our vertex, and we're going to add the square root of 8 over 2, and we also have to get the other way, so we're going to have -1, and we'll take away the square root of 8 over 2. To help with this understanding, we're going to approximate. So if we approximate, we're going to get roughly 0.414 for the positive root, and for the negative root, we're going to get -2.414. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Also, never tried doing revision this way, so let me know what you think. As you can see, we've got our 3 points that we need. We have the y-intercept, we have the vertex, and of course we have our 2 roots.